Hello, my name is Marta Andhov. I'm Associate Professor in Public Procurement Law at the University of Copenhagen and member of SAPIENS project. It's my great pleasure to join today to answer 3 SAPIENS questions. I hope that we'll be able to train a great group of ECRs, the PhD students cohort, that would have a very good interdisciplinary understanding of sustainable public procurement, and therefore will be able to contribute to the standardization of these approaches in future procurements. So we will be able to talk about sustainable procurement as a regular procurement rather as something extraordinary, strategic, special, secondary, etc. Specifically, if we're talking about ESR 12, which I will have the pleasure and honor of supervising on climate change and public procurement. For myself, I'm extremely excited to welcome the future PhD student to the team at the Faculty of Law, a very dynamic team. At the same time, I'm extremely excited about the possibility of working on this very timely subject. For the PhD student, I think it's extremely topical theme for the PhD, both from a perspective of EU Green Deal and broad global focus on this subject, but also from perspective of increased citizen recognition of the rights to climate and increased litigation in areas of climate change, which I think all of these makes very relevant the subject matter of ESR 12. I think it's a once in a lifetime opportunity of joining extremely vibrant team, being part of a multinational, multicultural, multidiversal group of academics. If that is in the cohort of the early stage researchers, there will be a bigger group of you, which I think also will be phenomenal to exchange of practices and progresses, but also getting an access to phenomenal group of collaborative with older researchers that are very excited to work on this project. We prepared a lot of phenomenal trainings and educational events. There will be a possibility of exposure to other organizations, non-academic organizations. All of that, I think, makes it a phenomenal opportunity for the future ESRs. So we're hoping that you apply, and we're hoping to meet you soon.